All right, one more step, and that is to use this website to check how your calculations and measurements came out. So when you click the link I've given you, it'll bring you here, and you can see that this page is specific to Boston. So we've got sunrise, sunset, moon times, all sorts of information. There's actually quite a lot of information here. This website's very cool, timeanddate.com. But from here, what I want you to do is scroll down because they have this neat little graph about the sun position in the sky today. So this is assuming that you are checking this website on the same day that you took your measurements. And you can see what it's giving you is the current position of the sun in the sky. And this altitude value is the angle of the sun in the sky. So what if you're checking this website later and your measurement was from earlier in the day? Well, you can just drag your little sun around to the time that you took your measurement. So you can see as I drag the sun, the time value down here, ooh, I guess I have to hold it, time value changes. So drag it to match the time that you took your information, and then check the value of the altitude there, which is the angle of the sun in the sky, and see how close you got. So write down the value that this website is telling you, so you can show me how it compared to what you measured. Okay.